Learn Excel from Mr. Excel podcast, episode 2265, refreshing stock data types in Excel. Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Well, in the last episode, we talked about the new geography data type, and stocks have their own complexities. I mean, geography was easy. Stocks, a little bit harder. So I typed some companies here and declared them as stocks. And the first thing I noticed is I'm getting Barclays from the New York Stock Exchange, not the one that I want from the London Stock Exchange. So we're going to right click here, go to data type, and say change. And that brings us a search box over here where it'll show us all the different stocks that could possibly be Barclays. So here I want the London Stock Exchange. I choose that, and you see that instantly the exchange updates, and now we're in Great Britain pounds instead of US dollars. All right, so that's the first thing. Same thing I did yesterday, or at the last podcast, 15 minutes ago, set it up as a table. So now I can use this item here to get employees or CEO or all kinds of cool stuff like that. Now, yesterday we were doing geography, and hey, the population of a city, well, I guess it changes every day because people move in, people die, people are born, but Wikipedia only updates that, once a year. But this data here is actually being updated in many cases every minute. And be sure to check out this line up here about the data sources. You have to make it wider because they start out not wide enough. It tells you how often things are being updated. So 30-minute delay, but some places it's the end of the day. So depending on what exchange you're going for, just be aware that it's not being updated every 15 minutes. So now the question is, how do I force this to update? We could press F9, but that's not going to do a darn thing because these are a different thing. It's getting the data from the internet. To get this data to actually update, we're going to come here to the data tab and choose refresh all, and then it will be updated like that. Now, what's this Netflix here? It doesn't know the number of employees or the CEO. So that field error, brand new error, that just means that their data sources don't have that information currently. It may show up later or whatever. So these stock data types. Now, hey, I love this, but it's not perfect, right? It gives us previous day close. It gives us 52-week high and low, but it won't give us the last 30 days. I know a lot of people need the last 30 days so you can plot the trend line. All right, so this is a feature version 1 product. It's cool. It's not perfect. Hopefully, it'll get better. Well, hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.